Amidst the splendor of Eldoria, Princess Seraphina reigns as a beacon of beauty and grace, her flowing black hair matched only by the radiance of her spirit. In the heart of Eldoria, the Harvest Festival brings the people together, their excitement and mirth rising like a crescendo of happiness. The fortune-teller's words hang heavy in the air, casting a dark cloud of fear and uncertainty upon the kingdom, a veil that cannot be easily lifted. Luna, a celestial guide, leads Seraphina through the daunting labyrinth of twisted trees and whispered secrets, their footsteps echoing with determination. The thorny wall stands as a relentless guardian, challenging Seraphina's resolve, but Luna's celestial touch animates the vines, creating a path of hope amidst the despair. In the heart of the enchanted forest, a luminous sprite becomes their ethereal guide, its radiant presence leading them through the darkness, whispering ancient secrets of the woods. The oracle's voice resonates through the chamber, revealing the depths of Morgana's deceit, shining a light on the twisted roots of her plot that threaten Eldoria's very foundation. Fierce determination glimmers in Seraphina's eyes as she confronts Morgana, their clash of power and emotion shattering the silence, each strike a testament to their unyielding will. Love and celestial energy intertwine, illuminating the darkness with blinding radiance as Seraphina's heart and Luna's celestial essence triumph over Morgana's malevolence. With tears streaming down her face, Morgana succumbs to the weight of her wrongdoing, a fractured soul seeking redemption within the grasp of Seraphina's outstretched hand. United in purpose, Seraphina and Morgana channel their powers towards restoration, their intertwined hands erasing the scars left by darkness, revitalizing a kingdom on the brink of despair. Eldoria blooms anew, its vibrant colors painting a testament to the undying spirit of forgiveness and compassion embodied by Princess Seraphina, the true guardian of the kingdom's heartbeat.